In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change list colors in Trello. Trello is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing tasks, tracking progress, and managing projects. One of its standout features is the ability to customize your workspace. Changing list colors is a great way to make your boards more visually organized and easier to read. Whether you're using Trello for personal projects or working with a team, adding color to your lists can help you communicate priorities, highlight progress, or simply make your board more visually appealing. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. From there, you'll need to select your preferred method to sign in. Trello gives you a few options, like using your email address, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. Choose the one that works best for you. After that, enter your credentials and click the Login button to access your Trello dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which displays all your boards. Find the specific board you'd like to work with and click on it to open it. Once you're inside the board, locate the list you want to customize. Lists are the vertical columns where your cards are organized. To begin customizing, hover your mouse over the header of the list you want to change. When you do this, you'll notice a small three dots icon appear. This is the List Actions menu. Click on the three dots icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option that says Change List Color and select it. At this point, you'll see a drop-down or color palette with various options. Choose the color you'd like to apply to your list header. As soon as you make your selection, the color will be applied automatically. There's no need to click a Save button. You should see the change reflected immediately. If you decide you want to remove the color and reset the list to its default theme, you can do so by opening the same List Actions menu again. Simply select Remove Color, and the list will go back to its original appearance. Now, if you don't see the option to change the list color, make sure you have permission to edit the board. Some boards may have restricted settings, and only certain members can make changes like these. When assigning colors, try to do so thoughtfully. Colors can be a great way to communicate meaning, such as using one color for tasks that are in progress, another for tasks that are completed, and so on. Consistency is key, especially if you're working with a team. Try to use the same color scheme across all your boards to avoid confusion. Additionally, make sure that your text remains readable after you change the list color. If the new color doesn't contrast well with the board's background, it could make the text harder to read. Finally, if you're collaborating with others, consider agreeing on a simple color key with your teammates to ensure everyone understands what each color represents. And that's all there is to it. Changing list colors in Trello is quick, easy, and a great way to make your boards more organized and visually engaging. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.